Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you do not have your account added to the device, you will have to log in right now and then simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Then tap Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all installed apps. And if we want to check the updates which are available for them, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 38 updates. Of course, if you want to, or if I want to, I can mark all of them and download. However, I think I will pick like 2 or 3 different apps. So let me pick Google Chrome, Google One, for example, and Google Photos, whatever. Just mark those which you'd like to update and tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after a while it will apply it, and new updates will be installed automatically. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.